you sneeze, me a squeeze.
Oh shoot, sorry.
Yo, my G, what on? Yo, stop.
Oh my god, let me pull up my clothes. I'm so sorry, I'm sorry.
Me deal with where you want me to deal with here. Go there, so me talk to you there for a minute, yeah?
Okay, babe, I'm going to walk outside. Call me when you're ready.
So what you say, you have something for me?
My lord, I say you're going?
Nobody never get no time.
No, me never get in no trouble with it.
Where there? Oh, see it here?
Alright, yes.
Alright, go on.
Alright, look more.
Tell your girl to step forward back in here.
Alright.
Miss, him call you back.
Yo, how you must study?
Aya, what that him have on the medaya?
Yo, you talk to no king.
Might you know long in there that stand up a breach through that something there, what that him have on?
So none of them don't know what that fire? I want them goggles the way you're swimming, I know. I feel like I want goggles in my van, you know.
I think you smoke your wrong weed this morning, you know.
And some spaceship something in a aya.
You're frost, it most frost.
Aya. Me don't think a Trabass that aya. Yo.
You don't know when you link him listen, so call him now, man.
Me not call him. Why me fi call him? Fool.
The last time me call him, so nobody else can call him. You don't know when you link him listen, so call him now, man.
For true.
Alright.
Call him. King Trabass.
1 second.
King Trabass.
You say 1 second, you not here.
We want to ask you something.
What?
The mask. What that your van?
Wait. Make I take off this.
Take it off.
I nearly pop off me ears.
Blessed fire. Blessed. By the way, my G, why you wear that?
The government not say if you wear mask.
True, you know, the government did say that.
True, me not think of that one there, you know.
It's a weed mask this. Me think it look tough, so me say me put it on and try it out.
Well, them money want to tell us some things what go on. But with me, nothing there for my mind to say.
All the lockdown and everything.
The people, them love how you treat the place. You just can't run good still, you know. I see everybody who walk around the place and smile. And you do a good job.
Carry this, go put it down for me.
Yes, King.
Ross, what go on with the farm? All the crap them a grow?
I want to tell us that the field grow pretty. The garden full of food. By next week, we're supposed to can pick some of them and consume.
Alright, cool. Me like how everything a go on.
Right now, we have everything under lockdown. No boy can come in.
See, me know say as king, me tell you say me can do this. You need to give me some more time, man. After this corona thing, you know I got see me chance on the whole line, man. Just give me some time.
I believe in the king. I see the king do great things. I. The also chance are really and truly.
That boy Ratty feel like him can come. Him not have a chance, me I tell you no.
I mean, I think Ratty want try him luck and come over here. No, him not so mad. Ratty. Fire, I mean, I think Ratty afraid I want to still pan alone, you know.
Me don't see say you not no faith in a we, you know. And watch yourself, you know.
Yo, Rat, shut up, no man. Fire, me not talk bad, but you not listen to me. I want to know. You don't tell you ease up off of that pretty boy softness there, you know. I make we go murder people.
Me not ease up on none of you know. Cause I feel like two man a laugh up with you know. You know I take me life.
I come to tell you no news, but you not listen there. I gonna shut up.
Today menu, what we are gonna cook? I think some baked bean in a cupboard and we have saltfish. That can make a mad piece of food.
Yeah man, grand fiesta. Yes, fire, straight idol.
Yeah man, just take it and feed everybody. 1 bean to everybody, 1 grain of rice to everybody. That can
fire, I will satisfy with that 1 rice, you know. Furthermore, King, me not think that can fool everybody, you know.
After that, me need for guys supermarket too.
Yeah, and buy more bread.
Yeah. Hold on, the who for phone a ring? You know no manners?
Yo, me G, me think of the Ross phone a ring, you know. King of iPhone.
Oh, Ross, on site then, no?
I'm a baby mother, fire.
Are you any baby mother? On site?
Oh shit, me not it. Hello? Fire? I think it's time. What? Fire! She a breed fire! Ross, you them a go behind today. Generation!
We don't know that already.
Fire! Oh. Fire! Fire? Hello?
Come on, meet me at the hospital.
Yo, me a forward down there.
We forgot doctor. Alright,
Hold on, I gonna come. Alright. Fire! Yo, pack up on the things. Forward, man. Oh, fool. Aya, you in this with me now, I can't take this alone, Fire. Oh God, what we are gonna do? Aya, what we are gonna do, Aya?
Alright, me figure out this. Here what you do. Grab the bag for the baby them. Meet we at the hospital.
I have the bag ready already, Aya.
You grab food, water, anything, towel, clean. You know, cause we are going to hospital.
Alright.
You two want to baby father, so get to it.
Yes, for real, let's go. Wanna follow me, yo. You two come back. Doctor, help me. Let me get a bottle of water, a remote, and some, and some, toilet paper. Okay, I'll be right back.
Me not ready yet for this. Me not ready for this. Me not ready for this.
Yes, open up. Easy, man. Breathe, Aya, breathe. Let me see what I'm doing right here. Take it out, Doctor, take it out. Yes, hurry up. I'm kind of hot in here now. Here it is, doctor. Open this part. Yes. Blood, fire.
Oh shit, that's how it look.
I never know that's how it look. Make I see it.
That shit nasty.
It stink. Oh. It never looks so. It's an ugly one. It don't look that bad. I see here. Where's the father? I need the father. Come hold her hand. Fire me. I'm here, Dr. Phil. Well, me and him, fire me. Don't fire me. I'm not strong for them. Stop me. You know, you have to go step up on fire. So you think I had strong to fire? I can't deal with this, fire. Oh, so it's two of you? Fire, deal with you. I have to deal with Naya. Okay, come on. Y'all got to hold her hand. She need the help now. Hey, girl, come here. Hold me hand. And I want you to push with all your might, okay? Okay. Me walang paniwala to you, know, kami na one job. She's strong. So by the count of 3, ma'am, I'm going to tell you to push. I can't do this. Just hold your breath, and I need you to push.
It's almost there. Go on.
1, 2, 3. Lego eyes, sister. Lego eyes. Aya, dito, Aya. Help her, doctor, help her. I want you to push with all your might, okay? Go again. Just hold your breath. And I need you to push. 1, 2, 3. Push. Where the Empress? How are you? Doctor, hold on. Oh my God. Rotted, she shit on the cloth. Blood, fire. She shit? No. Doctor, sorry. Why you have to do that?
Nasty bitch.
Nurse, come take this to me. Oh my God, this stinks so bad. I can't breathe, I can't believe you do this on the doctor. Give me a piece of toilet paper. Give me toilet paper. Me wipe up now. It's not no baby. False alarm.
Vomit, me I left.
Nurse, come finish clean up this here. I'm gone. Shit, make him man gone. Why you have to shit on him? Fire, I am dead. Somebody now help. Nurse?
Fresh. Some cool like icy, cool like breeze. Chain round my neck, make your girl start sneeze. Good chick alone, make your girl strip tease. Yo, me clean like Lysol, fresh like Febreze. Fresh, who fresh with this? Swag too hard, yo, me make for this. Man cool, like 10 Guinness. Yo, me cologne a kick, yo, she can't resist. Fresh, who fresh with this? Swag too hard, yo, me make for this.